All right. So some of you have been turning in screenshots and items on the Google assignment instead of actually following the form. And so I just want to tell you it's actually really easy to use. This puts it all in one place. So I have here a preview of the student form. First thing that you're going to do, you're going to write your SMART goals. And remember, they're SMART goals. So you need specific, measurable, actionable. I like this term actionable better, relevant, and time bound. And so let's say like I wanted to exercise for 30 minutes on both days. Okay. And I'm just going to show you one example. I'm not going to take the time to write out like a goal for each one, but you would need to do a goal for each of these. And it's like your weekend goal for like number 1, number 2, number 3. So like complete targets for blank class by Sunday night. Okay, so I know it's going to be done. Going to enter the third one, hit next. Oh, whoops. I'm saying NA, you may not say NA, just so you know. That is write a goal. Okay, weekly grade reflection. You're going to go in and you're going to find, you're going to download a PDF of your grades, and then you need to find it here and upload it from the computer. So just depending on what you've got, let me see. I don't know if I have anybody's grades sitting on my computer, but just so I can show you that I can upload a PDF, I'm going to we'll grab that one. I don't even, somebody's assignment list. It's just because it's a PDF, so it is a good example. Okay, so I'm going to hit upload to that. So you would have printed your grades, like instead of printing, you'd print them to PDF and then put them like on your desktop or in your documents, or that's where you're going to go ahead and put those. Answer these questions. Yes, but I have a plan on it this week. How's APUSH going? I hope it's going well. Oh boy, help, I'm drowning in 4th period. It's my prep period. I'm not drowning. But who knows, right? You answer those questions, just taking a look at each of your, just a reflective time. Okay, Google Calendar on the week or the schedule view. So that, let me pause for 1 second. I'm going to get the shots I need. Go through this process really quick, and you can walk through it with me. Remember, your regular calendar. So this looks like it's on the week view as it is. I want to make sure I've got the beginning of my morning, screenshot that. The second part of the day, the PM, screenshot. And if you need directions on screenshotting, I did include those in somewhere. I'll make sure I include it for everyone. Okay, so I'm heading back over here. Going to grab both of those screenshots because they're very recent, right? So I'm going to upload from my files. Me in particular, I drop my screenshots onto my desktop. So I've got 57 and 53. So I got my first one at 53, my second one at 57. Open those, upload both those screenshots. They're PNG. Image is fine. An image file is fine. It'll let you do an image file. So upload it right there. And then I'm going to go to my tasks, open up my tasks and screenshot that, or my Keep Notes. To me, I use Keep Notes more. I think that there's something good to both of those situations. The tasks are pretty awesome as well. Okay, so I have some that are pinned to the top, then I can't see other things. So I'm going to unpin that so I can see my other ones, take a screenshot. And I do get that. Oh, I guess it loaded a little bit more, but that's my to-do list. So make sure it is actually loaded. Get that screenshot on there, just like that, upload it. Okay, the next thing that I ask you to have uploaded is your calendar through your Google Classroom. So let's do it for mine. We'll hit mine says to review instead of to do, but it's very similar. So I'll just do for all classes. What's this gonna look like? I have quite a few things I need to review. Woo! And there's other people's classes on here. It might not be like the most 345 assignments that are in process. Lots of stuff to choose through. All right. Okay, yours doesn't quite look so overwhelming, I'm sure. Screenshot that. That's going to be my class to-do list. So I'm pulling up that recent one again. So if you haven't done a lot of like screenshots, it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy to do, right? So upload. Okay. And then I'm going to get the screenshots of my tutorial, my TRF, whiteboard, that work. Okay. So here we go. We did not have anything for A. And so it's not required because we didn't even need anything. I just left it on there as a placeholder. Let's see. Do I have any TRFs on here? I don't think I do. But let's say whiteboard work. Okay. A good filler spot. You would have your TRF, your board work, and 3-column notes. So if you didn't present, then you need to at least have the TRF and the 3-column notes up here. And you can add like up to 5 files or something like that. So let's get something that will represent the 3-column notes. Another screenshot. Like I said, I'm just running through an example, but you would obviously have the correct file. So me, I didn't present. I would get a 3, unless I really show like that I was really helping out. So if I didn't present at all during the week, you get a 3 or a 4, but not the 5. And then you hit submit. That easy. Next, you'll see that it comes to this page where it tells you your response has been recorded. If I need to go back and edit my response, I can. Like if I need to go and add something onto it, but it's going to show me what I have on there already and just let me resubmit it. So like in case I didn't put on the right thing, okay, there it is. It's very accessible, and we'll have one of these for every week. So get it turned in.